Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the EarFun Wave Pro headphones. These are budget-friendly over-ear headphones that promise a lot for their price tag. Let's see if they deliver on their promises. Starting with the design, the EarFun Wave Pro headphones are surprisingly well built. They feature a sturdy construction with a foldable design, making them easy to carry around in the included premium-feeling carry case. The ear cups are generously padded with soft memory foam, ensuring comfort even during long listening sessions. However, it's worth noting they come in only one color option. In terms of comfort, these headphones excel. They're lightweight at 268 grams and the soft padding on the ear cups adds to the overall comfort. The adjustable headband and ergonomic design make them suitable for various head sizes, ensuring a snug fit without causing discomfort. Moving on to sound quality, the EarFun Wave Pro impresses for its price range. They offer a well-balanced audio profile with decent bass and clear treble. The 40mm drivers and support for high-res audio in LDAC contribute to a satisfactory listening experience. However, the mid-range can sometimes get overshadowed by the bass and treble, affecting certain genres of music. One of the standout features is the exceptional battery life. These headphones boast up to 80 hours of playback on a single charge, which is quite remarkable. Even with active noise cancellation turned on, you still get a respectable 55 hours of battery life. They charge via USB-C, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you 10 hours of listening time. The EarFun Wave Pro offers a range of features typically found in higher-end models. They include a mobile app for customizable sound profiles, multi-point connectivity for switching between devices seamlessly, and 5 ANC modes to suit different environments. The touch controls on the ear cups are intuitive, although the ANC control can be a bit fiddly. To wrap it up, the EarFun Wave Pro headphones offer fantastic value for money. They're packed with features that you'd expect from more expensive models, such as long battery life and decent sound quality. If you're looking for budget-friendly headphones that don't compromise on performance, these are definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.